Please rise for the Pledge of Allegiance. Place your right hand over your heart. Ready, begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. You may be seated.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Jay.
And I'm Eddie.
And these are your news and announcements for today, Friday, January 26th.
We made it to Friday, everyone. So keep up your hard work and stay dedicated to those grades.
Be sure to sign up for the upcoming 5-on-5 football tournament, an exciting event you won't want to miss. See Mr. Z at lunch on the stage or look for Google form in the ASB Instagram.
Do you want to earn volunteer hours in your school garden? Join us for the After School Garden Volunteer Day on Thursday, February 8th from 3:45 to 4:45.
It's always great to try something new, Raiders, so we suggest that you check it out.
The OUHSD Farm to School will be there to help lead projects including painting, crop signs, pruning the grapevine, and turning the compost pile. Snacks and water will be provided.
We need some more yearbook photos for your cool-looking jobs. Email us a photo of you at work and include your full name to be included in the yearbook. Email us at cipicturetoday@gmail.com.
When registration begins in February, what elective will you sign up for? Mr. Kochel is here in the studio with more info on his psychology class.
Hi everyone, I'm Mr. Kochel. I've been teaching at this school for 24 years now, and I teach psychology. Signing up for electives is coming up, and I want to talk about my elective, psychology. I also teach sociology, which is the study of people in groups. But psychology comes first, and psychology is the study of the human mind. The human heart is in our feelings, which comes from our mind, and human behavior. And the class is divided up into units, and we're going to talk about things like, in the first unit, we'll talk about things like, why is it that some people take their anger out on things that have nothing to do with them? Why is it that some guys cheat on their girlfriends? What are we looking for when we look for love? Are some boys abusive? Why are some girls put up with abuse? How do we find long-term happiness? In this class, we'll also talk about things like how Ouija boards work. We'll talk about things like a study where a guy wanted to study Nazis and had people shock other people, seemingly, to see if they would follow orders like the Nazis said they were just doing. We'll talk about things like why some kids trick themselves into thinking they're better than they are, and some kids don't see how good they are. We'll talk about things like the brain and how brains work. We'll look at some brain surgery. We'll talk about parts of the brain. We'll talk about a guy who had a tumor in his brain. He ended up shooting a whole bunch of people because he had a tumor pushing on the part of his brain that made him angry. We'll talk about infections in the brain. We'll talk about drugs and how different drugs affect your brain and then they eventually make you an addict if you keep doing them. We'll talk about abnormal psychology, schizophrenia, obsessive compulsive disorder. We'll talk about things like psychopaths. We'll talk about people with autism. We'll talk about narcissists who think they always are right and you can never ever convince them that they don't know all the most important things. We'll of course look at psychopaths, sociopaths, and we'll talk about serial killers. We'll talk about things like drugs and sex. We'll talk about heterosexuality, homosexuality, asexuality. We'll talk about things like alcoholism, marijuana, Xanax, heroin, how they all work, how they work on our nervous system, how they affect us, how people get hooked on them, how people get over them. We'll also talk about things like personality, introverts, extroverts, ambiverts. We'll talk about self-esteem. So the class in general is a really good class. Considering we talk about relationships like love and happiness and all the different ways that people interact and act with each other, like conformity, why we like the things we like and don't like, and why we act the way we don't act and don't act. So I think it's a really good class for advanced placement students, AP students who want to take AP. It's one of the easiest of all the AP tests. And it's a great class, and it's even longer, even more stuff like optical illusions and also things like emotions and growth and development, studies with like raising little monkeys to be like people. You'll see. Come take the class, Mr. Kochel, Psychology. You're gonna love it. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Kochel.
Now let's go to today's sporting news. Sports on tap. Girls water polo versus Carpinteria 3:45. Girls JV soccer at Wainimi 4:30. Boys varsity soccer hosts Wainimi 6 p.m. Girls varsity soccer plays at Wainimi 6 p.m. Girls varsity basketball plays at Wainimi 7 p.m. Come out and support our teams.
Now it's time for the PBIS Golden Ticket drawing.
Good morning, readers, and welcome back for another Golden Ticket drawing. I'm Ms. Rogers. I've got two friends here with me today. They're going to introduce themselves.
Hi, I'm Sophie.
Hi, I'm Mr. Luoma.
And we want to thank you all for showing community, initiative, honor, and social responsibility here at the Islands. Today we have 4 prizes for you. Our first prize is a bag donated by the Rincon Wellness Center. Right there, lovely. Our next prize is going to be a set of hand warmers, handmade and donated by Ms. Ulrich. They're amazing. Our third prize is going to be our aluminum reusable water bottle. And finally, I'll hand that to you. Our last prize is going to be one of our Channel Islands High School hats. So we'll go ahead and get to the drawing, and the first one is for the bag.
And notice I'm not looking at what I'm drawing.
Doing it right.
And the winner is... I can't read that. What's it say?
This says, for Roberto de Jesus Rodriguez from Mr. Salazar's class for showing community initiative, honor, and social responsibilities. Congratulations, you got yourself a bag. Go ahead and put that there.
Okay.
Our next is for the hand warmers.
Not looking again. Read that again.
All right. And this is for Lysander Rubalcaba from Ms. Jones' class for honoring self and others. You got some handmade hand warmers, and they're super cozy.
No more cold hands this winter.
All right. Next is for our aluminum water bottle. I like how she covers her eyes. She's making sure.
And this goes to Yasmin Rodriguez from whose class?
Ms. Matuka's class for showing initiative. Congratulations. You've got a water bottle. Stay hydrated out there. And finally, for our hats,
And this goes to Jaleesa Lopez from Mr. T's class. You won yourself a hat. Congratulations.
congrats. And that was for showing community. Yay for community. Anyway, we will see you again next week for another Golden Ticket drawing. Please make sure that you pick up your prizes at either nutrition or lunch in room C53. That is upstairs, room C53. And we look forward to seeing y'all next week. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.
Thank you, Ms. Rogers, and everyone who participated in this drawing.
Upcoming events. Monday, February 5th, football tournament at lunch. Thursday, February 8th, open house. Friday, February 9th, Raiders Fest. That's minimum day. Tuesday, February 27th, Blackstock Middle School Tours. Thursday, February 29th, Ocean View Middle School Tours. Friday, March 1st, Spring Sports Rally.
Raiders, the 2023-2024 CI yearbook is officially on sale. Go to www.yearbook.ordercenter.com and put in your school code 8464.
Price is $80 until February 29th. After that, jumps to $85. Purchase your yearbook today.
Now, one more thing before we wrap up today's show. Are you headed to the Saturday Enrichment Academy? Learn from Mr. Lopez on how to set up your finishing gear properly.
Good morning, Raiders. I'm Mr. Lopez. This is my boy Chewy, and the Real Raiders Fishing Club wants to invite you guys for our first annual fishing clinic here during the Saturday Enrichment Academy. We're going to be practicing knots, rigging setups, and you're going to learn some ID or gear ID. You know what the difference between these two reels are. Do you know when to use them? All right, if you're interested, if you're going to be here on Saturday anyway, come see me. If not, come tell a friend, bring a friend. We're here for a few hours, and you're going to have a lot of fun. We're going to walk around campus. We're going to be casting on the football field. You name it, we're going to try it. Come see us Saturday, 8:30.
Thank you, Mr. Lopez. We also had his dog here in the studio today.
Are you interested in the art club? Be sure to check it out.
Need to make an appointment for the Rincon Wellness Center? Use the QR code you see around campus.
Need to get some important info out to the islands? Want your photos shown in the Raider Mule? Reach out to us at cipicturetoday@gmail.com. That is all your news and announcements for today. Make it a great day, Raiders.
Don't forget to like and subscribe to CI Live. If you would like to participate, send an email at cipictureoftheday@gmail.com. Thanks for watching.